This isn't about Justice Thomas. This is about abortion, and this is about their radical left agenda. That's what it's about. And they are threatening the judiciary, threatening to withhold funding from them, including, it looks like to me, security funding. You can't tell me that the $10 million that they're threatening to withhold, which is exactly what the Supreme Court asked for, in security funding, happens to be coincidental. Everybody knows what's going on here. It's hostage taking. And it is, I tell you what, if they start this game, they will regret it. Because pretty soon we won't have an independent judiciary, and, then all bets are off.
The drip, drip, drip of these destructive disclosures is going to destroy the United States Supreme Court unless there is an effective, proper investigation. That's why I continue to maintain that we need the Department of Justice to investigate Clarence Thomas's apparent failure to report or misreporting. These inaccuracies, if purposeful, amount to a violation of criminal law. And even the highest court in the land is not higher than the law itself.
He's obviously been targeted because he's a conservative black man, and he's on the Supreme Court in an effort to undercut the legitimacy of the court. I think the best thing for the Chief Justice Roberts and the judges to do is to take this experience and go back and consider whether there are changes in their code of ethics for the Supreme Court are appropriate. It's not for Congress to dictate as a co-equal and separate branch of government, but I think that would be a wise thing for the Chief and his fellow justices to do.
You cannot have a situation where the Supreme Court justices are influenced by money. And by the way, I would say the same thing for us in Congress. And so there should be a bipartisan effort going on, not just Democrats, not just Republicans, to make sure that these folks are following a set of guidelines that ensures that they aren't swayed by money.